How to make TikTok not show your video to followers. To make sure that your followers can't see your videos on TikTok, you simply have to open the application itself, then tap on your profile icon from on the bottom right, then head to that specific post or video in TikTok that you want to make sure that your followers can see. Simply tap on this three-dotted menu icon right next to this toolbar over here, or there's likes buttons and save options. Then from this bottom navigation bar, scroll downwards and find this option called privacy setting. Tap on this, which looks like a lock icon. From here, you will find this who can watch this video option. Set this to only you. Now, once you turn this video into only you, now simply reload it or reload your home screen or your profile page, and you won't be able to find this post on your main feed. But you can see this feed by simply tapping on this lock icon over here, and this post will only be visible to you. That's it, guys. Bye bye.